Bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. Last week we were out of commission. We needed to take a break, so I didn't film anything. But now we are back to your regularly scheduled programming. Before we begin, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. I am drinking rum runner this week, and the flavor is Purple Rain, and this is blue curacao, grenadine, and lemonade, and it gave this pretty purple color. Q Prince Purple Rain. Now, copyright. Okay, and if you remember from maybe like 2-3 years ago, I want to say I got this glass a couple Christmases ago. That makes sense. 2-3 years ago. Anyways, so 2 or 3 Christmases ago I got this glass from one of my sisters-in-law, and I was using it in my Naked Sunday videos, and I decided to just bring it back like TBT, you feel me? So I'm gonna pour my rum runner, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna talk. So I got my drink, and now we're ready to talk. So I noticed that the videos that you guys love to see is always about giving head or receiving head. So just going to continue on that head train, right? So on my Instagram page, as you know, same spiel, I pose these poll questions and you respond to the polls, and then, you know, I may or may not make a video about it. Now this poll in particular was, how do you know that you give good head? And what inspired that poll is a question from, again, this Instagram page that I follow called Naturotica. I mentioned them in another video, but one of the comment that the person left was that maybe you don't give good head. Girls think they give good head, but they really don't. So that was the reason for the poll question. Do you know if you give good head? Was that a question? Do you know if you give good head? Whatever. And the options were, I just know. How do you know if you give good head? The options were, I just know, and I've been told. The majority, I think it was 79%, said I've been told, while the rest of them said I just know. Now to that, I want to say, you never truly know if you give good head if you haven't gotten that confirmation from the person. You can't just walk around thinking that you're doing it so amazingly if the person hasn't said, yeah babe, that was amazing, yes, it was really good, you did it really good, you give me the best head, da 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 da, whatever. You feel me? Thinking that what you do for one girl or for one guy is the same thing that you're going to do for the next girl or the next guy is kind of naive. Not everybody likes the same thing. There are 1,000,001 different books, articles, tutorials, videos like the videos that I do that we give you different tips and tricks on how to give head, but each person is different. One person, like I mentioned, would like it super, super sloppy, where another person doesn't like all that mess. They just want, you know, to be eaten or to whatever. Whereas some girls, they like it. Girls, yes, girls, they do like getting head where it's super, super sloppy, where it's wet to the point where it's some drink. Oh, this tastes good. This tastes real good. This will get you drunk really, really fast because it tastes like a popsicle. Oh gosh. Oh my. Okay, for the people who said that they were told, like I said earlier, you guys are the few who actually do know how to give good head and know that your head is good. Are you only giving head to one particular person and there's only this one person that your head is good? Great. You doing it for multiple people and these multiple people are telling you that your head is good? Even better. But for the people who are like, I just know, do you just know though? Do you? The comment that I screenshot also mentioned that it's not necessarily the technique, but more so, I just squealed, but more so how the person's member feels inside your mouth. I don't have a dick, so I don't know how true this is, but that makes sense. Technique matters, yes, but I guess but then wouldn't all mouths taste the same? Aren't all mouths the same? Question. I need to put it on my Instagram. Are all mouths the same?
Remember I told you my first one? I laughed. I couldn't stop laughing.
Because you're a wuss.
It was
You're
just
a
weird.
wuss.
No, I think it was just her.
Mm-hmm.
Because that never happened since. It was just that first. It was ticklish.
You're stupid.
Like I laughed the whole time. I had to be like, stop. No more. And that was it.
What's the one thing you hate during oral sex?
Me?
Yeah. When receiving.
Most of the times. Sometimes, let me say sometimes I don't like when y'all doing it. I don't feel it. I'd be like, do something.
So you want it harder?
Yes.
Okay. Ladies,
I don't be feeling it sometimes.
heard it from the mouths of babes. You need to suck his dick harder. Yes. Why is that, sir?
I don't know. I guess y'all be trying not to do it hard, but y'all do it soft and like.
Yeah, because y'all complain and talk about, oh, it's sensitive and it's this and it's that.
It is.
So we don't want to go all in and then broke off your body.
But you gotta be able to feel it.
Okay, so there you go. Make sure it's nice and firm. Oh gosh. But yeah, if you're walking around thinking that, oh, you give bomb head just because you've given head a couple times and you think, okay, this is what every guy likes, you're sadly mistaken if he has not verbally said to you, that was so good. The end. That's the end of the video. I don't have anything else to say. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video. What you want to say?
No.
Say what you're gonna say. Don't be scared now.
I'm good. I mean, like, sometimes you don't do it right either. It's just, yeah.
So say what you're gonna say. I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I give lazy head.
You do.
I don't like to.
That's why I hold your head and do what I gotta do.
Just let you know.
Okay.
There are days when I don't want to give you do it anyways because I'm a trooper.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, we're not all perfect. Anything else you want to say?
No.
And I'm not doing this video to claim that I'm the best head giver in the world. I'm just letting my female camaraderies know that different guys like different things, and if you haven't been told, then you just don't do it good, basically, right? Or have you gotten good head and not told her that the head was good?
No, if it was good, I'm gonna say something.
See, if the head was good, he would tell you.
Yeah,
so if you have never been told that the head was good, then the head probably wasn't good. Yeah. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. And it's okay if you give lazy head sometimes. Fuck 'em.